there, jumping right there.
No, right here.
Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I feel so ashamed of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh yes. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all cried out. I don't think my strength's gonna last. Oh, I'm crying out to you. Oh, I know you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to hear a word from you. That's why I open up my heart. Oh yeah. What is this party? Oh, show me out. Show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it meets, and it meets. I don't want anything, that's why I need to talk to you. I forgot that part. I open up. Damn, that's a nice song too. Oh yeah. All I need to do is hear a single word from you. That's why I open up my heart. Oh yeah. Oh, I love that. I've heard that forever. It's another song. Another song. Do you know how to play Love for music?
Sort of, kind of.